This video is about how to connect Chinese lock with 4 ignition wires. Works very well. Original have 3 pins and Chinese have 4, like you can see here. So Chinese is 2 wires there and those 2 wires here. So basically those 2 wires original used for ignition, put ignition on and off. The third wire is for lights. This third light is for lights. Like if you disconnect this one, it will be all lights gone, all indicators, front lights, everything will be gone. So I put without them. So how I did that? I'm gonna remove the tape to show you how I did that. So basically you have those 2 wires like I said before, and here you have 3. So what I did, you can see I put 1 and 2 together, and the third one is there. So maybe we can pull out. You can see it's like third one is there. 1 wire here and 2 wires is there. So those 2 wires is connected together. So when you put ignition on, those 2 wires here is connecting together. So basically everything get connected. So it's no big difference, because now, example, the lights doesn't work, nothing doesn't work because ignition is off. And because if you put ignition on, then when this lights gonna start to work, like, see? Then the lights gonna start to work. This is bypass. And that's it now. You put together everything. That's all. And looks like this. Works nice. Everything works. And you put the indicator working, because before you don't even have those lights. All those is like off now. If you don't put that third wire, and then you put the indicator, it's working. And works very well. And the same in front. Got those lights on, and you can put long ones, like this, and long ones. Without the third wire, doesn't work nothing. So you need that third wire, If you change the put Chinese and didn't connect that third wire, it's very possible you don't have nothing. Those all lights is off. So yeah, that's all.